Aldi is expanding operations and has positions with different responsibilities in career areas of store management and staff, warehouse, district managers, internships, divisional and corporate office, and IT.
Aldi's Employee Development Program gives every employee a chance to become empowered in their work through specialized training for each position. They have made competency models for each level of business and give employees a performance review every year. They have also made an Aldi Center of Education where employees can see and learn more about the company. Their retention program is just as strong through the developmental side of the employees' training. All employees can give feedback to the company, and they've sported an 85% approval rating from employees through these.
Definition of an ESN. An enterprise social network is a way that an organization uses social media and social platforms to create a community where they can connect people who share identical business interests and operations. An ESN is effective in terms of allowing enhancement of collaboration and communication amongst employees. Communication between companies has to be strong in order to achieve efficiency, otherwise it can cause expenses to the organization. An ESN helps customers to engage with employees and also allows employees to be able to pick and choose what they want to engage in within the organization. Internal communications are within the company, which help employees work together to achieve the tools and resources that they need. On the other hand, external communication is how the organization communicates with the public and the customers. An example of using external communication is when an organization is connecting with customers through social media platforms, events, government affairs, and the public. An enterprise social network is a necessity for an organization trying to effectively be able to externally communicate with the public and internally with their employees. For a company like Aldi, an ESN could act as a cornerstone for progression on the front of communication and efficiency.
Workplace by Facebook is a system that provides everything Aldi is looking for in an ESN. Employees will be able to collaborate in groups by sharing documents, discussing projects, and managing information in a private manner. Aldi employees will be able to communicate efficiently by using instant messaging or using video calls between one or more people. Along with easier collaboration and faster communication, Aldi's workers will be able to use Newsfeed to filter what posts they see. Aldi can access all these features for a very low cost at $3 per active user each month. This flows perfectly with the company's plan to minimize cost. Considering the features, cost, and potential for success, we believe Workplace by Facebook is the best option for Aldi.
Workplace by Facebook promotes openness, feedback, and diversity to engage employees and drive cultural change. This employee social network platform combines next-generation technology and easy-to-use features to transform communications, culture, and workflows. Workplace promotes transparency in the business place through the use of an interactive news feed and live video for real-time communication. Such capabilities eliminate the problems associated with organizational silos and allow employees to interact as a whole company and in task-focused groups. Another unique feature of Workplace is its ability to connect with current applications Aldi uses and also adopt new ones in order to expand the company's current employee programs. With machine learning, the database continues to become smarter, more suitable, and more applicable to the brand's needs. Compared to other platforms such as Google+, which can cost $25 per user per month, Workplace upholds Aldi's cost minimization strategy by costing $3 per active user per month. Workplace also offers discounts on this price if there are over 5,000 users.
As previously stated, Workplace by Facebook is Aldi's best option for an enterprise social network, as its minimal costs complement Aldi's cost leadership strategy. Its only cost comes from a $3 fee per active user per month, or $36 annually per active employee. As the company website states, Aldi now has over 1,600 stores and employs over 25,000 people across 35 states. By using this information, we can infer that, relative to when this information was published, their total store count did not exceed 1,699 locations, and their total employee count did not exceed 25,999 employees across the United States. By finding the averages between the lowest and highest possible combinations of store locations with number of employees, we determined the average Aldi store has roughly 15 employees. Once this number was found, we assumed Aldi's growth has been linear since then, and therefore can estimate that with continual growth to 2,000 locations across the United States, which was the company website's projected store count for 2018, We can additionally estimate Aldi employs roughly 30,000 people nationwide. By multiplying this number with a $36 annual fee for active members on Workplace, the total annual cost for the Workplace ESN comes to $1,080,000. We believe that with this type of money being spent on a platform that requires employee participation and feedback, some incentive should be given to the single employee who uses Workplace most creatively and or often, and therefore should receive a $25 bonus per month. By multiplying this incentive cost by 12, one for each month, this gives us a total incentive cost of $300 and raises the total annual salary to $1,080,300.
With any new addition or change that a company makes, like employing an enterprise social network, there are pros and cons that must be considered. A major con of employing an enterprise social network is resistance from employees to adopt the new system. Many employees will not want to have to change the way they do things and have to adapt to a whole new system when they are already comfortable with the way things are. Some enterprise network systems can be quite costly, and this is certainly a con, especially since Aldi's competitive strategy is cost leadership. However, moving on to the pros, Workplace by Facebook, our chosen enterprise social network for Aldi, only costs $3 per user per month, which sticks with Aldi's cost minimization strategy. This is a pro of employing this particular platform. Lastly, Aldi is looking for a way to spread information to its employees in a time-conscious manner. Having an ESN would greatly benefit Aldi and meet this need by giving users quick answers to questions or concerns they might have through real-time crowdsourced content.
There are many benefits for implementing an ESN for Aldi. Employees will be able to collaborate in groups by sharing documents, discussing projects, and managing information in a private manner. Further, Aldi employees will be able to communicate efficiently by using instant messaging or using video calls between one or more people. Aldi implementing an ESN has major potential to engage employees and help the company measure success. Every person affiliated will have the opportunity to share not only new ideas, but sources to base new innovations off of. A well-structured ESN will do a spectacular job of allowing high-level executives to get involved and provide comments to employees on the activities associated with a particular project. Once Aldi learns to use the ESN efficiently to collaborate on projects, they can begin updating everyone on the progress made for each project, which will decrease the amount of accidental repeated steps. After implementing an ESN to engage their employees, Aldi can track all activity and motion through the system, giving the company beneficial data on how internal communication flows. Overall, Aldi can directly measure their success by tracking this data over a long period of time.